Hi, welcome back to EaseUS channel. Today we're diving into a fun and versatile app that can make your gaming, calls, and meetings a lot more interesting. In this video, I'll introduce you to EaseUS VoiceWave, a real-time voice changer for PC that allows you to transform your voice into anyone's. It's compatible with over 200 online games and 50 messaging apps, including Google Meet, WhatsApp, Among Us, and Minecraft.
You can deepen your voice to sound like a man for online safety.
Or even mimic characters like Darth Vader to keep things entertaining.
First, click on the free download link to get the app. After installation, set up your microphone and headphones. EaseUS VoiceWave offers a variety of free voices and effects, with additional characters available for upgrade. You can tweak the pitch, timbre, volume, and other voice effects, saving your settings to create a unique voice profile. Plus, you can upload audio files or record new ones to customize your own voices. EaseUS VoiceWave boasts more than 100 soundboards, giving you plenty of options to play around with. If you find this video helpful, you'll love exploring the app's capabilities. Now let me show you how to use it on Discord. Simply launch the app, go to the settings, and select the microphone as VoiceWave Virtual Microphone. Now you're ready to speak with your favorite voice. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content.